Hi, my name's Jack Fleming and I'm a graphic designer and photographer. My work specialises in architecture and abstract compositions. Alongside my full-time job, I started to use my camera to explore the endless bounds of the city, and I discovered a huge variety of architectural styles hidden amongst our everyday views. Since then, I have developed a real passion for photography, and I have begun to publish my outcomes on my Instagram page, Architecture Anatomy. My graphic design background has taught me about grids, pure shapes, and layouts, which is reflected in my geometric, minimal, abstract style. Looking for different perspectives and leading lines, I walk around the city with my smartphone camera to tell urban narratives through colour and composition. I explore all kinds of spaces, looking for cutting-edge buildings with their geometric shapes and intricate patterns. In this Domestika course, you'll learn how to make architectural photography for Instagram with a geometric and abstract focus using your smartphone or professional camera. I will teach you about the pre-production process, how to shoot outdoors, and how to create and edit your final compositions. For the final project, you will produce a series of images showcasing the geometry of the urban space. To get started, you'll get to know the equipment you will use and which free apps are best to use for editing on our mobile device. Then we will look at some composition rules and how to create great photographs. After that, I'll give you some ideas about your shooting day and how to explore your subject. We'll then go outdoors to capture unique points of view using architectural features to create wonderful images. Afterwards, I'll teach you how to select your photos and how to edit them using Instagram layout and Snapseed. Last, I'll teach you how to present the final result by creating a nice Instagram feed. By the end of this course, you'll know how to take architectural photographs that feature geometry and exaggerated perspective using your own smartphone. To follow me, you'll need a smartphone or professional camera, as well as a tablet or a computer. Explore the city with your smartphone and find your own unique perspective.